There you go.
Hey, I'm Luigi.
And I'm Mario.
Hi, Mario.
Oh, hi, Luigi.
Yuck! Why'd you kiss me? We're both boys.
Quinn, go to my Nintendo channel.
That's really weird. Weird. Oh! Maybe I shouldn't float all the time.
Oh my God.
Ooh, it's dark in here.
Come on.
Now I can't see anything on this thing.
The light switch is on.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
Okay. I'm a whale from the future. Hey, Jamie, I'm telling on you if you keep doing that. I'm a whale from the future. Stop it, Jamie! Stop, Jamie! You're messing up our video.
That's the sound. It's just the wiring.
That's a sound effect. That may be a sound effect. I'm here from the future. I'm a Mario. And this is...
I blink a lot, no offense.
This is I'm Mario.
The future. I'm the Mario.
If you're gonna think you're gonna hold my face. Okay, I'm away.
Oh, I'm
Turn the lights
okay.
off. Turn the lights off.
No. What is that? Oh, it's me. Not you.
Just the wiring, Quinn.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Turning them on.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Go.
Pika.
Hello.
Pikachu.
Pikachu, come on.
Pikachu can't see. Pikachu. It doesn't work in the dark. Pikachu. Oh. Pikachu. Hey, Mario, come see me. I'm Pikachu. Come play with me all day. Come on! Are you coming or what? I want you to come! Come! Oh, coming or what, sweetie? I want you to come. Oh, whatever. Don't lock Jamie in, Quinn.
Because you scraped me.
I'm fine. Don't worry about it.
I think I'm gonna turn into a vampire now, so I'm gonna throw your hand and then you're gonna become a vampire.
Quinn, you're kind of ruining the video because you're not talking to anybody.
Just kidding.
Pikachu, are you okay?
Are you okay, Pikachu?
Yes, I'm fine, I guess.
Oh my God. Okay, Pikachu, let me get you to the big flapper so you can throw up. You can throw up.
Ghost.
You can throw up. You can throw up.
Ghost.
Okay. Don't worry, Pikachu. Okay.
Oh, sick in a round hole. It has water in it. No offense, but that's pee-pee water.
Come on, Pikachu. Let's go. Let's go play some Wii.
Who is that dog?
You guys made my room just a mess.
I'm sorry, Quinn.
It's okay. Sometimes you
Hey, Sonic's here today.
Okay, actually, I'm just going to play some Smash Bros. Bro.
Let's see that Smash Brothers, bro.
Okay. Actually, go out close to the TV. Actually, cut it so we can do a video of Super Smash.